Mrs. Vanessa Religious Toner. Speaking for our Public Schools District Supervisor, Ma'am Christina Noora. Speaking for our Municipal Mayor, Sir Solomon Mercado. The Guzman, rather. To our SPTA President, Mr. Alan R. Antonio. Our Secondary School Principal 4, Sir Perfecto C. Felix. Guidance Personnel, Department Heads, Teaching and non-teaching staffs, parents, guests, and my fellow completers, a pleasant morning. It is such a wonderful privilege and honor to welcome you all today, March 31, 2026, to Cabiao National High School's 11th Moving Up ceremony with the theme, Filipino Graduates Prepared to Lead with Competence and Character. Today, we rejoice in a momentous occasion that will happen just once in our lives. This graduation day brings an unexplainable kind of happiness in everybody's heart, especially our parents. Sabi nga nila, kayo, tayo, ang bida sa araw na ito. That is why let us all remember our stories created from the simple celebrations, the laughs and smiles that we shared, and the bonds with our dear advisors and teachers. In each classroom, there is a collection of precious memories built, and that is what I believe we will miss the most. Aside from these joyful times, we have also faced quiet personal challenges, sleepless nights, never-ending performance tasks, hectic schedules, quizzes, recitations, and many more challenges. All of us had different strategies and ways of coping to be able to survive and overcome these tasks. So now, I have a simple request. Kindly face your seatmate and say, "Congratulations! You made it!" Ready? Pwede po ba natin gawin yan? Sige po. Face po natin ang ating seatmate. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations! You made it! Throughout our journey, there are teachers who gave us a strong foundation of knowledge, parents who gave us unconditional love, and friends who gave us their shoulders and ears to lean on and listen. At panghuli, mayroon po tayong Diyos na natatangi sa lahat. Siya ang nagbibigay ng ating buhay, lakas, at patuloy na nagkakaloob ng ating mga pangangailangan. Sa pagharap sa mga hamon ito, hindi po tayo naging perfecto. May mga sinabi, inisip, at kinilos tayo na hindi naman dapat natin ginawa. Pero sa kabila ng lahat ng ito, alalahanin natin na mayroon din tayong nagawang mabuti. Kaya sa halip na isipin na ang ating mga pagkakamali ang nagdidikta sa ating pagkatao, gawin nating inspirasyon ang mga pagkakamaling ito upang lumago at magbago. At the end of the day, we are just humans, needing and seeking the grace and righteousness of God. Eto na tayo, nagbunga na ang lahat ng pinaghirapan natin. Mula sa pagtatanong ng, kaya ko pa ba? Masasabi na natin sa ating sarili na, sumakses ako at nagawa kong umi-step by step. Oo, alam kong napagod tayo, pero kinaya at kakayanin pa natin. I am certain that all of us are here because we have embedded lessons in our hearts and minds. Bugyao National High School truly had a big part in shaping our character. Let us all carry the experiences and growth as we embark and step into the new chapter of our lives. Hindi pa tapos ang kwento natin. At sana, balang araw, tayo naman ang babalik sa paaralang ito upang magbahagi at magbigay inspirasyon. Damahin natin itong araw na para sa atin. Sa pagsisimula natin ng panibagong yugto, tandaan po na parte ito ang puso at hindi puro ito talino sa pagtatagumpay. Ikaw at ako, tumindig tayo ng may pananampalataya sa Diyos. With much honor and pride, welcome and congratulations, my fellow completers of school year 2025-2026. Let us feel the moment and enjoy this wonderful event. Once more, a pleasant morning and God bless us all. Thank you, Jovan.